What is up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. Today marks our 1-year anniversary for us hosting content for you guys on YouTube. It has been a crazy year. It's been so much work just trying to get the projects done, to make the content, to learning how to use the cameras, where to put the cameras, audio quality, editing software. Just, it's been a ton of work, but I've gotten so much work done on my projects this year. So we have worked on everything from the Chevelle, the Sub 100, Project Prelude, Project Totaled Suburban. We've had a couple mopeds in here, the Winnebago, Ranger, Mazda, a Harley, I think some epoxy flooring, and we also even worked on a Bobcat. So we have worked on all sorts of crazy stuff, and I want to thank you guys for coming along on this journey. So here I go again. I want to thank everybody who has liked, shared, and subscribed to the channel and left a comment down below. I enjoy reading all your comments and interacting with you guys. So for this episode, we're just going to do a recap of the year. We're going to do some highlights, bloopers, funny moments, and just highlights of projects that we've worked on this year. So again, thank you, everybody who has followed along with us, and I hope that I can keep making content for you guys in the future. Let's get to the show. Yeah, buddy. Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on my 69 Chevelle here. It's got a LS1 out of a 98 Trans Am. That's not true, it's actually an 02. Got the clear coat on. Looks pretty damn good, actually. I'm pretty happy with it. There's a little bit of dust in it, but that's what I get for painting in conditions such as these. Didn't run the inner fenders that I've seen so far. They look really good. Ran the piss out of this, but nah, you're not going to see any of it. Most of it's going to be covered by the bumper and the grill. So. And then we started bolting the front clip on and getting everything lined up. Got the heat exchanger tank mounted up there finally. Got the battery tray in and tightened down. So we're getting closer to firing this bad boy up and maybe going out and beating on it. This thing was definitely one of the least fun things I've done on this car in a while. I struggled a lot with it, but with great struggle comes great reward, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I think it looks awesome. Got the shifter boot fixed, all that's working. Cleaned up the wiring harness a little bit. Got the gauges set in there and rewired and replumbed. Computers that had it, trying to put it in good hard drive and good, but can't get it to work. So I need to get John over here because he's a fucking nerd and figure out how to fix that.
Bam, baby.
Bam, baby. I need a computer nerd.
Nailed it.
There you have it. 10 AN hose ready to go on the car. If you guys like these videos, please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments. I guess, I don't know. Fuck it, I don't care if you comment or not.
This looks like fuck.
Is that metric fuck or just like a standard fuck?
Actually, yeah, it is.
that's where we're at. We're getting rid of all those bumps and everything. Hopefully we'll have a nice tight base to spray some color on and get this damn thing painted tonight. Because, let me tell you, my old lady is up my ass about this.
Don't say old lady.
Sorry, my young lady. Wait, that sounds even creepier. Anyway, my wife is not happy about not having her car. Alright, should we see how bad we can tiger scratch this?
Please don't.
That's fucking good. We fucking did it.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. We are in the son of a bitch. The windshield's too dirty and the dirt ball dirt backs. Alright, let's try that again. Too good of a deal to pass on. The windshield is way too dirty in the dirt ball Duramax, and the GoPro won't stick to it. Fantastic. Leave a comment down below. Let us know how f***ed up we're doing, because we're f***ing some shit up, I can guarantee you that. Why did I just f*** up this take by saying f***? I don't know, but I did. Let's try that again. Hopefully we can pick up some ponies, a little more air volume, running those stage 2 cams. We're gonna need it. Maybe, probably not, but hey, looks cool. I'm very sad right now. I'm just really, really sad with my actions. I don't really know what to do with myself. I don't know what to do with my hands either. Where am I supposed to put them? Like, I hold them a lot, I put them out here. Am I praying? Am I, like, pumping up the crowd? Let's pump up the jam. Hey guys, welcome back to the shop.
Hey guys! Hey guys!
Hey guys, welcome back. Nah, that wasn't solid enough. And action. All you gotta do is pull the pin, slide out the hitch, and you are good to go. Nobody would know that you had a hitch on there, so super clean. I like it. Welcome back to the shop, guys. It's Friday night. Me and John are in here. We're gonna have a couple beers. We might try to work on something. I don't know. I don't know if I have the ambition to start another project tonight or not, but what do you think? Gluten-free, baby. All right, we've had her warming up now for about 10-15 minutes. It's fairly warm. It's about 150. And we got heat. It's blowing nice warm air out of here. So far, so good. No leaks. So we got heat on those cold spring and fall nights when we go out and cruise it. Heater core's got a hole. Son of a bitch. Well, everything was going good, and then I had to say everything was going good, and apparently the heater core has a hole in it, and it started puking right there. So that sucks. Looks like we'll be pulling them back apart and swapping the heater core out. That's weird. The horn just turned on. assembling it, checking clearances. I think we're gonna do some plastic gauge on this.
You don't want to plasticate something that you don't want to know how fucked up it is.
Do you guys want to know how fucked up it is? Probably should. Hopefully not at all.
We'll find out.
We're gonna find out. We're able to get the key and the steering column, all that, moving again and unlocked. So it's able to be moved in and out of the garage. We've actually moved it out a couple times the last few days and made some headway on the Chevelle inner fenders. So.
I don't think I've ever seen a shaved firewall in a Prelude or really in any tuner car before.
Well, the idea is to get rid of all those lumps because that looks stupid. All of them I've seen have been really nice and painted and cleaned up, but all those lumps in there. I'm a ricer, but you know, I mean, this is like shaving a body kit in. It's just sweet.
All right.
I think that makes sense.
Well, at least it'll look good on the side of the road.
Yeah, like when my timing belt breaks.
I was thinking when I come by with my Nova and blow your doors clean off.
Well, it's not gonna look good with no doors on it.
It'll look like a Jeep or something. Those guys do it.
That's true.
You'll be able to get in and out easier.
Yeah. I don't know. Is that little Nova of yours ever gonna be done?
Probably not. That's all right though, I can dream.
This door is more hammered than me on a Tuesday. Thank God it's not as hammered as me on a Sunday. Oh boy. And it is all gray again. So we'll let that cure out and start the blocking again. It's a little foggy in here still, but the car is in black. So I'm gonna start working on the engine bay area, doing the exact same process, kind of making sure I get clear coat in all those hard to reach spots so I don't get any runs, because nobody likes runs. Not in your paint, not in your underwear. So yeah, it's time to squirt a little clear on this bad bitch.